Students, today let us see another illustration. This is illustration number 45 from DK Goyal books. So here is a small question given. This is a complete cash flow. It is asking that we have to prepare a cash flow statement. So here question is given, simple question only. Equity and liability is given, shareholders fund. After that share capital is given, note number is also given, 2 years is there, 2018 is the current year and base year 2017, and amount is given 8,50,000 and 4,60,000. So that is note number 1 is given. In that you can see note number 1 is saying that equity share capital for the current year 7,50,000 and for the base year 4 lakh, and preference shares, that is 8% preference share capital is 1 lakh for the current year and 60,000 for the base year. So next one is that the reserves and surplus, that is given note number 2. Total amount is given 1,70,000 and that is in the current year and base year 2 lakh. The note number 2 detail is given, general reserve, transfer to general reserve, that is in the current year 50,000 and base year it was 70,000, and profit and loss balance is given, that is 1,20,000 for the current year and previous year it was 1,70,000. So next is that non-current liabilities are given, that is note number 3 is saying total amount is given 1,80,000 for the current year and previous year or base year it was 2 lakh, and that is long time borrowings. Long time borrowings is given here. Note number 3 is saying 10% debentures. So next part is given, asset side. Let us see, fixed asset is there, that is 7 lakh in the current year, base year it was 5 lakh, and current assets are there. Inventory is there 2,50,000 and in the base year it was 2,10,000. Next is that trade receivables, 1,90,000 for the current year and 1,40,000 for the base year. Cash and cash equivalents, for the current year it was 60,000 and base year it was 50,000. And one more additional information is given. Let us see. Additional information is given. During the year, machine of the book value of rupees 80,000 was sold for 50,000. Second adjustment is saying that interim dividend paid on equity shares capital rupees 80,000. Two additional information is given. So let us come back to the question. So first of all we may have to make a working note. So in the answer sheet we will go to the working note. Here you may can see that balance as per that is profit as per 31st March 2018. We already got that in the note number 2. It is given that 1,20,000 for the current year and 1,70,000 for the base year. This we are considering here for first. Actually, in order to get that difference we may have to take, that means opening closing balance minus opening balance. Here we can see that closing balance is that 1,20,000 and opening balance is that 1,70,000. Different is that 50,000. So here this is negative figure, minus 50,000, because compared to base year, this year profit was not profit, instead of that loss was there 50,000. Next we may can see that transfer to general reserve. Actually we can see that in the this is also the same way. That means current year, or that closing balance minus opening balance. So here you can see that in question is given clearly the same adjustment. General reserve is that for the current year amount is 50,000 only, but in the base year amount was 70,000. So here also more number is in the opening balance. That is why when we are reducing, we will give that the minus symbol, minus 20,000. Next step is that we may have to in the working note, in order to get that profit, we may have to add this profit is that minus 50,000 and plus the general reserve, transfer to general reserve, that we added, that plus minus 50,000 plus minus 20,000. So we will get that minus 70,000. And another one thing is there already given, interim dividend paid to preference shareholders. The amount we already had seen that 80,000, that is given in the additional information. 80,000 was given. You can see that 80,000 we are adding in the working note, 80,000. And here minus 70,000 is there, and here plus 80,000. That is why difference amount we are taking. Difference amount is that 10,000, and we will this is a positive number, 10,000. Difference is at plus 10,000. So this we will consider as that the profit, net profit. We will give that heading net profit before tax and extraordinary item. Next is that one another adjustment was saying about that the fixed asset. We had seen that about the fixed asset, and fixed asset one adjustment is saying that one asset cost rupees, book value is that 80,000, which is sold out of 50,000. So there is no any other thing is given. And here in question you can see that fixed asset is given 7 lakh and 5 lakh, and additional information is saying that asset which is cost rupees 80,000 is sold out of 50,000. That is given in the additional information. That is why we may have to make a ledger account for that fixed asset. So first we can see that the machine cost of the machine is that 80,000, which is sold out of 50,000. That means different is that 30,000, that is loss for the firm. So we are going to make that the fixed asset ledger account, and in that we know that this is asset, its debit side, its opening balance, or that last year's balance we will mention as that the opening balance, that will fall in the debit side. We will record it in the debit side, that 5 lakh. And another amount is that closing balance, that we are showing in the credit side as that the closing balance 7 lakh by balance carry down. So another amount is given as we had seen that the sales amount, that means that we were showing by bank account only. By bank we got that 50,000. That 50,000 we mentioned here in bracket in order to understand that we mentioned that sale. Next is that the profit or loss. This is loss, that is why we mentioned this is in the credit side itself, that by profit and loss account, and in bracket we will mention loss to understand that. So now we will add that both side. Here you can see that total is that 7 lakh 80,000, but here is 5 lakh only. So both side we mentioned that 7 lakh 80,000, and here different is that 2 lakh 80,000 is there, that we will mention here. This we are considering as that the balancing figure. We got as that the balancing figure. This is actually the purchase of asset. That also we will show as that the bank only, to understand that this we are taking as purchase, and this amount we got by difference between that 7,80,000 and 5 lakh. So now directly we will go to cash flow statement. Here as you are seeing, net profit we already got that 10,000, and next is that adjustment for non-cash items. One is already there. This is cash expense only, but another thing, this is comes under that extraordinary item. That means this is interim dividend paid. Sorry, as you can see that loss on sale of fixed asset. When asset is sold, we already got that 30,000 as loss. Actually, this is cash is not going out from our hand. So 30,000 which is come as the loss, we are adding here. So with this 10,000 we added that now we got 40,000. This is net profit before working capital change. From there less increase in current asset. Current asset that is stock, inventory is increased. We already had seen in the question. The stock is increased. So the difference is at 40,000. That 40,000 we may have to reduce here. So we put in the bracket. Next is that trade receivable, that is also current asset only. Current asset is increased. When current asset is increased, we are reducing that. That is difference is at 50,000. That 50,000 we put in the bracket because we may have to reduce this amount. We will add this two negative figure and we will reduce it from here. 90,000 minus and 40,000 plus is there. Difference is at minus 50,000. Heading we will give that cash flow from cash used from operating activity. Cash used from operating activity. Heading is that next is that investing activity. In investing activity, we know that the one sale is there. When asset is selling, we know that we are getting that cash inflow is taken place. That is why we will mention that 50,000. Its amount is at just 50,000 only. We are not recording that loss or profit. What is that the sales amount? That amount we will show here. So when we sold the asset, 50,000 we received. That amount completely we shown here. Next is that less purchase of fixed asset. Asset we purchased is already got in that the asset account, and it was 2,80,000. That 2,80,000 we record here. This is cash outflow is there, less is there, reduce decline amount, decline is there. So we put in the bracket. The difference amount is like that 2,30,000. That we put in the bracket. This heading is that cash used for the operating investing activity. Next we have to go to third, financing activity. In financing activity, we already had seen that share capital. Share capital is preference shares and equity shares were there. We already had seen that in question. Here you can see that adjustment is saying that equity share capital of current year 7,50,000. It was previously 4 lakh, and 80% of preference shares, equity shares and preference shares. That is current year preference share is at 1 lakh, and previous year it was 60,000. The difference amount we are taking here. Difference amount of that equity share is that 3,50,000 and preference shares is at 40,000. These two amount, when we issue that shares, we got the money. So we add this amount. From there, another item is there. That item we may have to reduce, as you had seen in the question. You may can see that debenture. Here you may can see that non-current liability, long-term borrowings was given. This is note number 3. In note number 3 it is given that 10% debentures, which is previous year 2 lakh and current year 1,80,000. That means we paid some amount, we returned some amount. And in this question additional information is not saying about anything about that interest and all, so we are not showing that interest. We assume that is included here, so directly we mentioned that repayment amount, that is 20,000. And another is that interim dividend. We already know that this interim dividend is added in the working note. Now we there we added here, and now we reduce here, because this interim dividend actually related to this amount is paid to preference shareholders. That is why this is financing activity. That is why we added there in the working note with the operating activity, and here we reduce it in the financing activity. So these two numbers are negative figure. Negative figure means we have to reduce that. That is why we put in the bracket. Its total amount is at 1 lakh and its amount is at 3,50,000. The difference is at 2,90,000. The 2,90,000 we record here in the outer box. So here a positive or plus 2,90,000 is there, and before we already got that minus 50,000 and minus 2,30,000. These two we will add. That means 2,80,000 will be there, and here 2,90,000. That means 10,000 is the net change in cash and cash equivalents. So in order to check the answer, we have one way. We will take that the opening and closing balance that we already had seen. In the closing balance was given in the question as that the 60,000, and opening balance was 50,000. And in order to check this, we are using that we will add that opening cash and cash equivalents with this amount, with the net change in cash and cash equivalents. Then amount was 10,000. We added that opening balance of cash and cash equivalents, it was 50,000. Then we will get that 60,000. This is that the question is given as that the closing balance of cash and cash equivalents, as you had seen in the question. You may can see it is in the question. You can see in the question cash and cash equivalents. It is given here 50,000 and 60,000. Thank you.